Is our universe unique? From science fiction to science fact, there is a concept that suggests that there could be other universes beside our own, where all the choices you made in this life played out in alternate realities. The concept is known as a parallel universe and is a fact of the astronomical theory of the multiverse. Idea comes in comic book, video games, television and movies, and even in franchises ranging from Buffy the Vampire Slayer to Star Trek to Doctor Who to Digimon use the idea to extend plot lines. There actually is a quite bite of evidence out there for multiverse. First, it is useful to understand how our universe is believed to have come to be. Around 13.7 billion years ago, simply speaking, everything we know of in the cosmos was an infinitesimal singularity. Then, according to the Big Bang Theory, some unknown trigger caused it to expand and inflate in three-dimensional space. As the immense energy of this initial expansion cooled, light began to shine through. Eventually, the small particles begin to form into the large pieces of matter we know today, such as galaxies, stars, and planets. Now, one big question with this theory is, are we the only universe out there? With our current technology, we are limited to observation within this universe because the universe is curved and we are inside the fishbowl, unable to see the outside of it if there is an outside. There are at least five theories why a multiverse is possible as of 2012. We don't know that the shape of space-time is exactly. One prominent theory is that it is flat and goes on forever. The world present the possibility of many universes being out there, but with that topic in mind, it's possible that universes can start repeating themselves. That's because particles can only be put together in so many ways. More about that in a moment. Another theory for multiple universes comes from internal inflation, based on research from Tufts University cosmologist Alexander Willinkin. When looking at space-time as a whole, some areas of space stop inflating like the Big Bang inflated our own universe. Others, however, will keep getting larger. So, if we picture our own universe as a bubble, it is sitting in a network of bubble universes of space. What's interesting about this theory is the other universes could have very different laws of physics than our own since they are not linked. Or perhaps multiple universes can follow the theory of quantum mechanics, how subatomic particles behave, as a part of the daughter universe theory. If we follow the laws of probability, it suggests that for every outcome that could come from one of your decisions, there would be a range of universes, each of which saw one outcome come to be. So, in one universe, you took the job in China. In another, perhaps you were on your way and your plane landed somewhere different and you decided to stay, and so on. Another possible avenue is exploring mathematical universes, which simply put explain the structure of mathematics may change depending in which universe you reside. A mathematical structure is something that you can describe in a way that's completely independent of human baggage. And last but not least, as the idea of parallel universes. Going back to the idea that space time is flat, the number of possible particle configurations in multiple universes would be limited to 10, 10 raised to the power 10, 10 raised to the power 122 distinct possibilities to be exact. So, with an article number of cosmic patches, the particle arrangements within them must repeat infinitely many times over. This means there are infinitely many parallel universes, cosmic patches exactly the same as ours, containing someone exactly like you, as well as patches that differ by just one particle's positions, patches that differ by two particle positions, and so on down to patches that they are totally different from ours. Famously, physicist Stephen Hawking's last paper before his death also dealt with the multiverse. The paper was published in May 2018, just a few months after Hawking's demise. About the theory, he told Cambridge University in an interview published in the Washington Post. We are not down to a single unique universe, but our findings imply a significant reduction of the multiverse to a much smaller range of possible universe.